Vegetables really need to be dressed up and made exciting for me to want to have it. And this dish exactly fits that criteria. This is a really simple dish of spinach with Indian cottage cheese, or how I like to call it, Palak Paneer. Let's get started. So start by boiling a large pot of water. Now while that water is coming up to a boil, prepare an ice water bath. We will use that to blanch the spinach. As soon as that water comes up to a boil, add in all of your spinach. Do it in batches if you have to, and then cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes, or as long as it takes for those leaves to wilt. Now before you drain that water, make sure to reserve a bit of it to adjust the sauce for consistency later on. As soon as that's done, drain the spinach immediately in a colander and then transfer the spinach into your ice water bath. This blanching step will really help to shock those leaves and preserve that beautiful bright green color. Nobody wants to have a murky green spinach sauce. Now set that bowl aside, and now in a pan add in your ghee and heat that on medium heat. Then add in your cumin seeds, hing, green chilies, onions and cashews. I soaked my cashews for about 30 minutes, but you can soak it for longer, and if you forgot that step, just add the cashews in like that. Then you want to add a pinch of salt and then saute that until those onions become soft. When that is done, transfer it into a food processor. Use a large one because we'll be processing our spinach as well. So go ahead and drain the spinach and add it to the same blender. Then puree it until really nice and smooth. It should take between 1 to 2 minutes, and then transfer it back into that pan. We'll turn the heat down to medium-low, and then if you're excited about what's gonna come up next, hit that subscribe button, because now we're gonna be adding our cottage cheese, or our paneer, which is going to be so amazing. So I've diced it up, tossed it into that sauce. I added it slowly for dramatic effect, and then really toss that into that sauce. Now if you feel like the gravy is too thick, feel free to add a bit of water and then thin out the gravy just like I did. I wanted a bit more saucy consistency. All that's needed to be done now is to bring that gravy up to a simmer, enough to warm up those cubes of paneer, and adjust the seasoning to your taste. You want to simmer that sauce as little as you can for the best looking dish. And I'm just going to finish it with a bit of cream, completely optional, and I'm going to serve it with some roti bread. And just take a look at this. The sauce is really nice and rich and full of spinach goodness, and that paneer is going to be very nice and soft like a cloud, and it's gonna go in my mouth. And you're gonna love this. It's gonna be a great way for you or anybody in your family who does not like veggies, especially greens, to really make this a really fun and playful dish which everybody will enjoy. So go ahead, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon. Be sure to check out the full recipe on my website. I'll link that down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.